Desmond, I should say welcome all of you come to Taiwan again. But previously, I want to see you. But the difficulty is we have a COVID-19 influence, and therefore most of activity from Taiwan Tech has been cancelled. So that's I talk with from the class, and I understand most of you study my we follow the same teaching as engineering statistics, but this class is the first one, and the problem is this class, I should say tutorial class, is before formal tutorial content for formal teaching hour, and that means next week this tutorial class we will have a formal content to be taught. Okay, and student mentioned the internet has a little bit problem, and therefore I turn off my video. I just show my voice to you. Okay, so right now I keep going. I just want to let you know this is a TA class, and therefore I asked one of my PhD student, Fatty, to handle this class. And I understand right now it's a remote teaching mode. So actually, Fatty will still use the online teaching mode firstly, and to show you, and probably 2 weeks later we can have a physical class, not physical class. We will have class. All of you can physically attend the class, and then you will have a chance to talk with me and talk with Fatty together. So I just take this chance, ask Fatty to introduce himself to all of you, and to let all of you get familiar with each other. Okay, Fatty, can you hear me? If you can start some brief introduction to student.
Oh yes, I can hear you. Can you hear me clearly?
Yes.
Oh, okay, that's great. Okay, hello and good morning, everyone. As the professor rightly mentioned, my name is Patty, and I am his PhD student. So I'm actually from the Gambia, a country in West Africa, but I have been in Taiwan for like quite long, almost 8 years now. And then I've always been working with Professor since my master's time. So it is a great pleasure for me to meet with all of you, and then hopefully we can work together during this semester, and then hopefully everyone will have a good time during this course. Sorry, where is it? Is my voice still clear from here?
It's okay, I can hear.
Oh, you can still hear me. Oh, okay. I was wondering if anyone can still hear me. Okay, so as I mentioned just earlier, it's a great pleasure for me to meet all of you, and then I hope with time we can be able to interact and then share and learn from each other as much as possible. So I am also a student just like you guys, so hopefully we can interact as much as possible and then share ideas and learn from each other throughout the duration of this course under the guidance of Professor Lee. Thank you, everyone.
Okay, I just take a position back, and it's right now I handle the class. And I just mentioned this class mainly is regarding tutorial. So actually, the teaching staff theoretically will be FATI to teach you, to guide you how to solve a geotechnical problem from based on the teaching content. And but theoretically, I will also attend each class and to see whether you need additional assistance. And that's a general teaching style. And to be honest, I will mention that the teaching environment in Taiwan Tech will be much better than, I believe, much better than when you are in Paraguay. One of the reasons is our TA staff, their background, their research focus are actually on geotechnical engineering. But to be honest, right now, regarding the teaching content, they are very basic. They are fundamental knowledge, and it means that's a general problem. It's not advanced problem. So for our research, I'm talking about me and Fatty. Our research actually is advanced topic, and even for my master student, you will have a chance to meet, to see my master student as well. But to be honest, I want to emphasize again, in terms of research, so our topic, research topic will be more advanced compared to teaching content in foundation engineering. However, to explore your view, I highly encourage you, if possible, you can talk with research student, including master and PhD student, and then you can understand what's the current innovation in this area, and also you can think about in Paraguay what's the requirement in your country, and then you can think about what you need to learn and focus on specific topic, and which is the need of your country or which is the need for yourself. So this class, because we actually don't have many content to be discussed this week, but I would like to ask you, I'm talking about the Paraguay student. Okay, I would like to ask you, do you have any concern or problem right now? The problem not just for learning, even for if you have some living problem in Taiwan, you can also talk with me. So I take this chance to ask you, any of you want to tell me something about your current problem? I wait for a few seconds and waiting for your response. Nobody wants to answer me?
Seems like.
Do you have any problem right now? I just tell you, if you want to see me, my office is on level 6, and I believe most of you probably know where is the Professor Tan's office, but you just keep going via the corridor to the end of the corridor, and my office is there, and you can email me and come to knock my door, and we can have a more detailed discussion about this. Okay, I see Cassia, you want to say something? Oh, yes or no? Okay, maybe my my platform have some problem to show Cassia highlighted name. Okay, and I just check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, I can see the attendance. There are 12 students attend this class, but I want to mention based on your government regulation, so class attendance should be recorded. So my student will help to record this. And of course, right now is the first class, and then it's just an introduction. So I will take this time easier. But for the for further tutorial part, so every time my student will check attendance. Yeah, we are not necessary to follow the same checking procedure as when we are in Paraguay, because from the system we know who has been attended. So it's very easy for us to check attendance. So if there is no additional problem, and you just, some of you as a representative to answer me, there is no other problem. If no other problem, we finish this tutorial right now, but next hour is our teaching class. So I remember teaching class starting from 11:20. So all of you remember to remind your classmate to turn up in the formal foundation engineering class. Is it okay for all of you?
No problem.
Okay, and nice to meet you again. Thanks for your coming to Taiwan Tech. And actually, we finish this tutorial right now, but next week will be 1 4 hour. So we finish here right now, and see you next class from 11:20. Okay, see you then. Fatty, what do you want to say?
Oh, no, it's fine. I just wanted to talk about the timing, because I think the major misunderstanding was due to the time, right? This time around. Yeah, because
yes, keep going.
I think the ones that said the meeting time said it at 10 a.m. so that if you want to come in a little earlier and make sure everything is fine, you can join earlier, but then the actual time should be 10:20. So hopefully by the next class, everyone will understand it's actually 10:20 and not really 10 a.m. Just a quick reminder for them.
Yes, I telling you about this again. Because we set up at 10. The reason is my student also need to set up all platform. So we should set up earlier. But actually we still follow the Taiwan Tech teaching hour. So starting from 10:20.
Yes, class starts at 10:20. You can join by 10 a.m. and make sure everything is okay, but class starts at 10:20.
Okay, if not, you can leave away this meeting room, and remember for foundation engineering platform, it's the other meeting room, not this one. So you should go to the Moodle and to foundation engineering class and join in the other meeting room. Okay, and if not, you can leave away, and we finish here. Okay, see you then. Okay, bye.